If your water heater is acting up, the first step is making sure cold water is actually reaching the unit. Sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often people miss this. So, here's the deal. Go to any hot water faucet in your house and turn it on for about a minute. If water flows steadily, you're good on the cold water supply. Next, if you have an electric water heater, find your breaker box, sometimes called the electric box or fuse box, and look for a double switch labeled something like hot water heater. Flip it to on if it's off. For gas heaters, after confirming cold water is on, check the lighting instructions usually stuck on the heater side. You'll probably need a long lighter or a match held with pliers to safely light the pilot. A propane or MAP gas torch works even better if you have one handy. Don't forget a flashlight, especially if your heater is in a dark spot. Always be careful and follow safety instructions exactly so you don't get hurt or cause damage. One of the biggest mistakes with water heaters is not checking if cold water is actually flowing in, which causes no hot water at all. To fix that by running a faucet first. Another common issue is forgetting to turn on the right breaker in the electric panel. Double check that breaker box and switch it on if needed. The third mistake is trying to light a gas heater without following the exact lighting steps or using unsafe tools. Always use proper lighters or torches and a flashlight, and read those instructions carefully to avoid dangerous accidents. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Contractors use the site too to find work and build a solid reputation in their community. So everyone wins when you use BigHomeProjects.com for your next home fix-up.